Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustonShow.com. I'm going to give you a nice little simple formula so you can play mortgage broker at home. Okay? So let's say you make $60,000 a year salary. You divide that by 12 months. Your income is $5,000 a month. To play it safe, you can qualify for 50% of that money to pay for your mortgages and your monthly debts. So you want to know what you're going to qualify for. This is how you do it. You take 50% of $5,000, that's $60,000 a year, $5,000 a month. Take 50% of that. That leaves you at $2,500. That's what you're allowed to spend roughly. There's different programs that let you go higher, and some programs won't let you go that high. But let's just, for now, use that. $2,500 is what you qualify for all your debts. Let's say the only thing you have on your credit report is a $500 car payment. All your credit card balances are zero. So now you take $500 off that $2,500. So you take 50% of the $5,000, you get $2,500. Take $500 off that for the car. You're left with $2,000 that you qualify for a mortgage. Now that's if you got good credit. Not all people can go to 50% DTI, but let's say you have good credit. So $2,000 mortgage payment is what you qualify for. So now, how do we know what a mortgage payment is going to be? So I'm going to give you a little cheat sheet. The wild card in this is your insurance and let's say your interest rate. So let's just use, if you want to play it safe, if you got bad credit, I would use 4.75. If you got really good credit, use 3.5, just for safety reasons. So the better your credit, the lower rate you should use. But if you go to the Google, you type in mortgage calculator, all you do is type in your loan amount. So let's say you're going to buy a house for $210,000 and you put 3% down, your loan amount's roughly $200,000. So you put $200,000 in the loan amount section. If you've got bad credit, put 4.75. Pick the term of 30 year, and it's going to tell you what your principal and interest is part of your payment. So put your principal and interest payment that you get off the calculator right there. Then the taxes are $5,000. Let's call the taxes $6,000 a year. Then you divide that by 12 and you get $500. So you get principal interest. Let's just call it $1,000. Is below that, put $500 for taxes. Now insurance. Right now I'm using about $1,000 a year. That's middle of the road. That's $83 a month. So I put $83 a month. You take 1,000 divided by 12. That's 83. So you got $1,000 principal and interest, $500 for taxes, $83 for insurance. Now, PMI is a little complicated. Let's stick with FHA for right now. FHA is pretty simple. It's 0.85. You take 0.85 times your loan amount of $200,000, hit percent, divide that by 12. Probably going to be $120. I'm just making it up. I don't know. So put 120 for PMI. So you get principal and interest, taxes, insurance, PMI. Now, the only other thing that could be in there, you could have an HOA. Not many houses have HOAs, but let's just say you're buying a single family home, there's no HOA, then there's nothing. So you add up your 1,000, you add up your 500 for taxes, that's 1,500. You add 83, that's 1,583 for you add the insurance, and then 120. So you're at 1703. So your payment would be 1703 for your mortgage. Your car's 500. You're under the 50% DTI. So you could actually now tell yourself, hey, I can go a little higher. I can qualify for a little more. And that's all we're doing here as mortgage brokers. That's how we qualify you. So if you want to do it at home, that's how you do it. If you got any questions, call me. I'll help you modify your equations so you can simplify it, and you can do this over and over again in your sleep. So give me a call. My number is 630-915-7550. If you don't want to do all that work, just call me and I'll tell you how much your mortgage payment is going to be and how much you qualify for. We're mortgage brokers here at GustonShow.com. Give us a call anytime. Again, 630-915-7550. Thank you.